Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to trade futures on mobile phones. Most of the videos on YouTube are based on a PC. I hope it will be helpful because many people are trading on their smartphones. After watching this video, you'll be ready to first futures trade. Before installing the app, you need to register on the exchange to create an account. The exchange we're going to use this time is BitGet. The BitGet exchange is well known as the world's top 5 futures exchanges. Click the link down below in the description to create your account. By using that link, you can get a 50% discount on transaction fees. Also get a sign-up bonus $5 and deposit bonus $5,000. So, you have to sign up before you install the app. If you're done registering, click the download icon in the upper right corner. Also click More Download to go to the detail page. For iOS users, there is an additional explanation below. Let's run the app when it's installed. You can see the Login button in the middle. Once logged in, deposit USDT for trading through the Asset menu at the bottom right. If USDT is ready, we're going to do to trade on the bottom menu. Click the Trade button twice to see the type of trading. Here you choose Futures Trading. If you look at the top left, you'll see it's in the USDTM tab. USDTM futures are settled in a US dollar Tether stablecoin, USDT, margin futures. In this video, I assume you've already done trades in the spot market. Because it's dangerous to start futures trading without experience in spot trading. If you already know the basics, I'll continue to explain. Futures interface looks very similar to the spot trading interface. If you want to see the chart, click the chart icon in the upper right. And there is an order book on the right, showing the most recent trades. Now, let's learn about the interface of futures trading. Before you start trading, you need to transfer the funds into the futures wallet. Look at the center, you will see an icon with 2 arrows crossed. You can choose where you want to transfer from. The default setting is from Spot Wallet to USDTM Wallet. There is no need to change it at this time. So write down the quantity you want to transfer, or click Alt to transfer all USDT of your spot wallet. Now, we are ready to choose the future contract that we want to trade. You can find all the available futures contracts at the top left. Those who watch this video, beginners of futures trading. So I recommend that only trade with Bitcoin, BTC USDT, which have little moves than other coins. The next thing we're going to look into is go here and click in this button. You can choose between isolated and cross-margin mode. Currently, we are in cross-margin mode. It means that our entire margin balance in the futures wallet will be used as collateral across all of your open positions. Cross-margin mode is dangerous for beginners. I recommend switching to isolated mode. If you use cross mode, you may lose all your margin balance on liquidation. Liquidation basically means that your margin balance is too low to fund your positions. When the current price reaches a liquidation price, liquidation will be triggered. Then the system will automatically close all of your open positions, and you'll lose entire margin balance. Margin balance means that only the funds in the futures wallet, so the funds in the spot wallet does not disappear. That's why the most important strategy for futures trading is to avoid liquidation. Isolated mode will have a separate margin balance for each individual position, so you only have to manage the margins allocated to this one position. However, in this case, you can be liquidated with lower moves than in cross mode, because you use less margin balance than cross mode to avoid liquidation. Both modes have advantages and disadvantages, but for beginners, please use isolated mode. On the right side of the mode selection, you can adjust the leverage. Leverage is the most important reason for futures trading with long and short. It goes from 1 the way up to 125x. For example, if the price goes up by 10% at 1x, your profit is also 10%. But if you use 10x leverage, if the price goes up by 10%, your return is 100%. On the contrary, if the price drops 10%, you're liquidated. In the case of 100x, even if the price rises by 1%, 100% profit is made, and even falls by 1%, Liquidated. High leverage brings that much revenue, but it causes rapid liquidation. And then if you look down, you can set the purchase price. There are also two typical modes to choose from: limit and market. The limit price is set by typing directly or clicking on the order book. However, in this case, if the price moves, the order may fail, so it is recommended to use the market price at first. The market price does not have to write the order price. After the price, it's time to decide the amounts to buy. You can write it down yourself or drag the bar below to decide. Then, I'll put in the order with isolated 10x. If use the market price, the order is placed immediately at the current price. Buy long if you expect the price to rise, and sell short if you expect the price to go down. I'm going to try both, but I'll buy long first. Now we can see it in our open positions down here. This position has a green bar, which means that it is a long position. We can also see the applied leverage and the margin mode here. There are a lot of other things below, so let's just look at some of the important things to watch at the moment. Unrealized P&L is the expected gain or loss of the current position. P&L means profit and loss. It is displayed in green if it is earning, and in red if it is losing. ROE represents the earnings rate on the current position. The important point is that it is represented based on the funds that have actually entered the current position, not the rate of return on the trading volume multiplied by leverage. Position represents the current volume of trading I bought. It is indicated on a Bitcoin basis, and the quantity multiplied by leverage appears. Entry price is the price at which the order was actually placed. Liquidation is the expected forced liquidation price. When the current price reaches the liquidation price, your position is closed, and all the margins in that position are lost. In the case of the long position, it can be seen that the liquidation price is below the current price. Margin represents the funds used for the current position, not the entire fund in the futures wallet. TPSL is a very important thing. We're not always looking at the chart. When the estimated price is reached, the position is automatically booked to be sold. TP means take profit. SL means stop loss. If you want to book a sale when you make a profit, write the price and quantity on the TP. And if you want to book a sale when you make a loss, write the price and quantity on the SL. On the right is the close menu to close the order. You can write down the price and quantity with a limit and click close, or use market price to sell immediately. This time, I will enter the short position. The difference from the long position is that the title is red, and the liquidation price is above the current price, because short positions have losses if the price goes up. If you entered a position in cross mode, only a part of the funds, the liquidation price will be more affordable. This is because in cross mode, the remaining margin increases the liquidation price. However, if liquidated, margins that have not been entered will also be liquidated in the futures wallet. In the case of isolated mode, the liquidation price is normal, but only the margin entered position disappears, and not entered remains in the futures wallet. Of course, if all funds were entered, the liquidation price for both modes would be the same. If you want to finish the trading, you can click Transfer icon again. This time, you can switch to from USDM into Spot and send the funds to the Spot wallet. Now, you can start trading futures right away. Don't forget to go through the link in the description or comment below this video. I hope your trading will be successful.